Good morning everyone. Myself Yash Raut, student of Patil Institute of Pharmacy. We will be discussing the student presentation week 2025. Today is my presentation of pharmacognostic study of a MYRRH, which focus on its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial benefits, particularly in skin care and cosmetics. Content: synonyms, biological sources, geographical sources, cultivation and collection, macroscopic character, microscopic character, chemical constitution, extraction and isolation, chemical test, uses, MYRRH product. Synonyms: Comifera resin, Balsamodendron, Guggul, Moor, African myrrh. Biological sources: Myrrh is a bitter, aromatic gum resin obtained from a stem and branches of a small trees, thorny trees, in a genus Comifera, which is part of the Bonscaera family. The primary and most widely known species is Comifera myrrh, although other Comifera species all produce myrrh or similar resins. Geographical sources: Myrrh producing Comifera species naturally grew and harvested in several countries, though the major sources of Somalia, Ethiopia, Sudan, Eritrea, Yemen and Oman. These arid and semi-arid regions provide the ideal environment for this herby tree. Cultivation and collection: The cultivation and collection of a myrrh still follow traditional method. The plant grew in dry, rocky areas at altitude between 250 to 1300 meter and require tidal water. Most trees grow naturally from seed dispersal. The resin is collected manually by making isconias in a bark and harvesting the gum and slip out. Microscopic character: Under the microscope, myrrh show the absence of cork, scenes in and exudate. The tissue consists of a thin walled parenchyma filled with allelogum, resin, large secretory duct, and resin and oil, thick walled stone cells, long based fiber, parasmatic calcium oxalate crystal, and medullary rays arranged by the radial rods. Microscopic structure: Myrrh is a natural alloy gum resin obtained from the bark of a Comifera species. Its microscopic structure has been studied in pharmacognosy and plant anatomy, and it shows a very characteristic appearance here in a detail in a description. Surface: rough, sometimes powdery or dusty, may show mark of a fracture. Uneven, granular, brittle, fresh fracture, appear waxy or translucent. Transparency: somewhat translucent, especially at the edge inner tears. Odor: aromatic, balsamic, slightly pungent, characteristic of myrrh. Taste: aromatic, bitter, slightly acrid. Sources: allelogum resin obtained by natural and artificial isconias of the bark of a Synspora. Myrrh of related Comifera species. Shape: occur in tears, irregular masses of agglomerated lumps. Size: tears are usually 5 to 20 mm in diameter. Larger irregular masses may also be parents. Color: reddish brown to yellowish brown, sometimes with a reddish dusting due to the surface bloom. Myrrh contains a diverse range of medicinal and aromatic entries. The main group of resin, which make about 25 or 40%, gum up to 60%, and essential oil. Key compounds include terpenoids like myrrholol A and B, Guggul testosterone, and various polysaccharides such as arabinoids and glycotones. Chemical structure of myrrh. Extraction and isolation: essential oils from a myrrh and commonly obtained through the hydrodistillation or steam distillation. Powder resin: the resulting oil then separate and pure compound are further isolated using the solvent and chromatographic technique followed by the characterization through the spectroscopy. MYRRH has been integral and traditional medicine, religious rituals, imbalancing and notably cosmetic for thousands of years. Its primary actions are antiseptic, anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial. Additionally, it's found in products like toothpaste, mouthwash, perfumes and wounds healing creams. Marketed product. Today MYRRH is marketed in a skincare serum, healing balms, anti-aging cream and oral care product. Its value lies in the concept of ancient wisdom for modern wellness, targeting health-conscious consumer, spa and aromatherapists. I would like to express heartfelt gratitude to my guide, Dr. Nilesh B. Banarese, sir, for his continuous support, as well as to our principal, director, faculty and staff. Special thanks to my friends and classmates for their cooperating and support. Thank you. Thank you for your attention and valuable time. धन्यवाद.